So this is the motion sensor. We're actually going to put it at a corner of a room, and if you put it in the corner of a room, the adhesive tape is only on the back, so that won't stick there. So we're actually going to use the 2 screws provided and mount the backing of the sensor there. And all you do is just pull it down, it'll come off the back. And we'll actually place it somewhere around there, right at the top of the room. So let's pull off the back. Comes with 2 screws, fairly small screws, so try not to lose them. Alright. This is going to be in the corner. You have to leave a little bit of room, probably about 1/2 inch on top of the ceiling, underneath the ceiling, so that you can actually put the sensor back on. And I'll show you what that is later. So let's get 1 screw in. And we'll get the other screw in. Alright. So once you get about 1/2 inch below the ceiling, so you can actually slip this back on. So right there, you just hook it on, press down and lock it, and that's all there is.